up in boost. Holy smokes. 28?
Yeah.
All right, round 3, here we go. We had a lot of gremlins we had to figure out, but I think we got them. So Andy's gonna go ahead and give it a shot today, see if we can make some power.
All right, guys. Andy let us take his Tesla for a spin, I guess. So this is first time driving one.
Oh man. I don't know how to set up anything, because you know how they have that like track mode or whatever?
Oh yeah, different modes.
Yeah, but man, it rips you pretty good, huh?
Yeah, it rips you pretty good. It's smooth.
It is very smooth. We'll see. We'll do a freeway pull here in a sec. But yeah, we were setting up and Andy's like, you guys should do a Tesla build.
Yeah, have you ever driven one? Take mine.
Yeah, just out of nowhere. And we weren't going to say no. And it is very smooth. Quiet. Oh, we're in sport.
Are we?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're already there.
Yeah.
She's on kill.
It's got 329 for range right now. Let's see if we don't give it back with 100. Just watch our heads fall back here once we give it gas. That could be addicting, huh? Get out of this turn here. Pile it up.
Yeah, that was one thing you said.
Yeah.
We had to keep it on the road.
We're going 63 right now. Punch it out. 80, 90. Oh, dude, the Supra's nowhere near this fast. How embarrassing. And this isn't even the fast version, I don't think.
No, I don't think so.
All right, guys, we may be buying a Tesla. That is pretty addicting, although I'd probably have 0 range.
Yeah.
You know, every time we get around the corner, I'm like, I'm getting on an on-ramp.
Dang.
Yeah.
Yeah, you look at the speedo and it's like, wow.
Yeah, I know. Did they convert yet?
Not yet.
Not yet? Man. Can you imagine what the fast version's like? That must
Probably
be pretty
faster.
fun. Well, yeah. Thanks. Oh, man. Man, if you haven't driven a Tesla, you got to drive one. Thanks, Andy. We're heading back to the shop now so we can actually start tuning the Supra. So we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys, we are not making quite the power Matt made. Let's see if I can get you guys in. We're at 431 is the biggest pull we did. So we're gonna turn it up. I'm trying to get 450. I told him I would, so if it blows up, Matt, it's on you. You're gonna repair it for me. We made 426. I don't know if you guys can see that there. On 22 or 21.2 pounds of boost. Less power. What the heck? Yeah. .423.
Yeah, your boost controller's not doing anything.
Felt like an animal. 474. I saw it went up in boost. Holy smokes.
What we hit? 28?
28?
Yeah. That's fun.